I Am Peace Award nominee Yusuf bin Ismail on why breathwork enhances life.
Everyone's walking around in survival mode. This is the amount of oxygen that we're walking around with. So it's like, I'm gasping for air. Like you've already run a mile. And after you run a mile, right, you should be breathing heavy. We're already breathing heavy, and we haven't run the mile yet. All of these are different examples or different visions that I can present that will help to create this vision of how breathing enhances the life.
Do you know someone who is working to secure the mental and emotional stability of Black community members? Then nominate them for the I Am Peace Award. I Am Peace is one of the higher self awards. It is given to those who advocate for, encourage, promote, and develop natural, holistic, and sustainable practices for maintaining internal calm when faced with life's challenges. This award is for those who have made a commitment to developing within themselves and teach others the skills needed to manage and even eliminate the stress response. They understand that creating peace within creates external peace. The award is for those who do breath work, meditation, cognitive behavioral therapy, and physical therapies like yoga. If there is a person or organization whose work and commitment to your family, your neighborhood, your city, or our people should be recognized, nominate them for the I Am Peace Award at higherselfawards.org. Nominate a hero.